Ever feel like you're stuck in a financial hamster wheel, working hard but not getting ahead? We've all been there. The good news is it doesn't have to be this way. Automating your finances is like putting your money on autopilot, letting it grow and work for you while you focus on what really matters. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos about building a brighter financial future. And hey, subscribing is free. It's the easiest investment you'll ever make. Got any of your own financial automation hacks? Share them in the comments below. Let's help each other out. All right, let's talk about automating your savings. Think of it like this. You get your paycheck, and before you even have a chance to spend it, a portion is automatically whisked away to your savings account. The key is to start small. Even setting aside $20 or $50 from each paycheck can make a huge difference over time. Most banks have online platforms that let you set up recurring transfers. Choose a date that aligns with your paychecks, set the amount, and boom. You're investing in your future without lifting a finger. Automating this process takes the decision-making out of the equation. It's all about removing those mental barriers and making saving a no-brainer. So, what are you waiting for? Set up that automatic transfer today and start watching your savings grow on autopilot.
Remember that sinking feeling when you realize you forgot to pay a bill? Yeah, not a good feeling at all. Not only can it lead to late fees, but it can also ding your credit score, making it harder to get a loan or rent an apartment in the future. But don't worry, we can automate our way out of this one too. Automating your bill payments is one of the easiest and most effective ways to take control of your finances and avoid those unnecessary headaches. Most banks and service providers offer the option to set up automatic payments for recurring bills like rent, utilities, credit card bills, and even subscriptions. You can choose the payment date, amount, and even set up alerts so you're always in the loop. Think of it like this. Automating your bill payments is like having a personal assistant who remembers every due date and makes sure your bills are paid on time, every time. You'll never have to worry about late fees or missed payments again. Automating your bill payments is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your finances, reduce stress, and avoid costly mistakes. It's a game changer for financial peace.
Now, let's talk about putting your money to work for you, automatically. Investing might seem complicated or intimidating, but with automated investing platforms, it's easier than ever to grow your wealth without needing to be a financial expert. These platforms, also known as robo-advisors, use sophisticated algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. You simply answer a few questions about your financial situation, and the platform takes care of the rest, automatically investing your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. One of the biggest advantages of automated investing is its accessibility and ease of use. Traditional financial advisors often require high minimum investments, making it difficult for younger or lower-income individuals to get started. Automated platforms, on the other hand, often have much lower minimums, sometimes as low as $5 or $10, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. And the best part? Most automated investing platforms charge very low fees compared to traditional financial advisors, saving you money in the long run. With automated investing, you can put your money on autopilot and watch it grow, even while you sleep, giving you peace of mind.
Okay, you've set up your automatic savings, mastered budgeting apps, automated your bills like a pro, and even dipped your toes into the world of automated investing. You're crushing it. But here's the thing. Automating your finances isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. It's important to regularly review and adjust your automated systems to make sure they're still aligned with your financial goals and life circumstances. Think of it like this. Your financial situation isn't static, right? It evolves over time. You might get a raise, start a family, buy a house, or decide to retire early. All of these life events can impact your financial goals and require adjustments to your automated systems. Aim to review your budget, savings goals, and investment portfolio at least once a year, or more frequently if you experience any major life changes. Make sure your automated transfers, bill payments, and investment contributions are still aligned with your current income, expenses, and goals. Life is dynamic, and your financial plan should be too. It should adapt as you grow. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your automated systems ensures that you stay on track towards your financial goals, no matter what life throws your way. Stay proactive and vigilant.
So there you have it. Automating your finances is like having a personal finance team working for you 24/7, helping you save more, invest smarter, and achieve your financial dreams. Don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more awesome financial tips and tricks. We're here to help you navigate the world of money and build a brighter financial future. Got any other financial automation tips that have worked wonders for you? Share them in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community of financially savvy individuals.